Aloha from Hawaii. My name is Aya. I am a professional hula dancer and choreographer. I am super excited to dance hula with you, so let's get started. My job is to provide fun and relaxing hula dancing experience for the visitors to Hawaii. So I hope my videos can help anyone who are interested in hula but don't know where to start, or for people looking for a good remote hula class for daily workouts. In this course, you learn 3 basic hula steps, 3 hand positions, and a choreography of a song. We're gonna first start off by the hula steps, and then move on to some hand movements. Later, we're gonna combine those 2 together and then dance a choreography. There are 3 important things you should prepare in order to maximize this class. First, enough space for dancing. Second, comfortable clothes and bare feet. And third, and most importantly, smile. In Hawaiian, we call it minoaka. Hula dance is so-called unwritten language. Every hand moves convey meanings of nature, people, and histories of Hawaii. I will explain each meanings of the hand movements line by line, so that you can understand what exactly you're dancing about. If you have any questions, please ask me. I will only be a message away and will get back to you as soon as possible. Any feedbacks about this course is also appreciated. I am posting on Instagram at hulagirl-diary every day for my new hula choreographies, so please follow me if you're interested. I opened my hula class in Hilo, Hawaii, and bookings is available through www.bigislandexperience.com or through Airbnb Experience. Mahalo and see you in my next video.